Hi guys, welcome back. Today's lesson is 11.6. Write mixed numbers as equivalent fractions. Now before we start our lesson, there is something you need to know about fractions. Some fractions are proper, some are improper, and then there are those that are just a little mixed up. Proper fractions has a numerator that is smaller than the denominator, which means they always less than 1. Like this slice of pizza. It's only half, so it's less than one whole pizza. Improper fractions, on the other hand, has a numerator that is greater than or equal the denominator. Like here I have 3 slices of pizza, so I have 3 over 2, which means that I have more than one whole pizza. And since fractions are not supposed to be greater than 1, we just call them improper. And we can change them into mixed numbers. Mixed numbers are numbers that are made up of a whole number part and a fraction part. Like here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices of pizza. So I have 5 over 2. The 5 tells us how many pieces are there. The 2 tells us how many pieces makes one whole. So let's stick them back together. Every 2 halves will give us one whole pizza. So here I have one whole, another one, and there is a half left. When I combine the 5 slices together, they gave us 2.5 pizza. And this is our mixed number. It's a combination between a whole number and a fraction. And in today's lesson, we are gonna learn how to write mixed number as improper fraction and improper fraction as a mixed number. Let's start with rewriting mixed number as improper fraction. Here I have 1 whole and 7 over 10. Okay, the first step is to multiply the denominator and the whole number. Multiply the denominator and the whole number. 10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 1 equals 10. The second step is to add the product and the numerator. Add the product and the numerator. The product is 10. 10 plus 7 equals 17. Again, 10 times 1 equals 10 plus 7 equals 17. And this is become our numerator. So step 3 is that the sum is our numerator. So we will write 17 as the numerator. Step 4, the denominator stays the same. Okay, step 4, the denominator stays the same. So we will write 10 as our denominator. Okay, so 1 and 7 over 10 equals 17 over 10. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here I have 10 parts, okay, and here 7. So I have 17 over 10. Okay, again guys, we multiply the denominator and the whole number. 10 times 1, then we add the numerator. 10 times 1 plus 7, like clockwise. Okay, multiply down and plus up. Multiply down and plus up. 10 times 1 equals 10 plus 7 equals 17, and this is our numerator, and the denominator stays the same. Let's move on. Okay, now how to write improper fraction as mixed number. Here I have 25 over 7. I want to know how many whole number in 25 over 7. Okay, the first step is to divide the numerator by the denominator. 25 divided by 7. So let's see. 25 divided 7 equals 3. 3 times 7 equals 21. 25 minus 21 equals 4. Okay, step 2. The quotient becomes the whole number, so our whole number will be 3. Step 3, here as you can see, we have 3 whole inside 25/7. Okay, step 3, the remainder becomes the numerator. So our numerator will be 4. Step 4, the denominator stays the same. So our denominator will be 7. So 25/7 equals 3 and 4/7. Again, guys, when we divide the numerator by the denominator, our answer will be the whole number. Our answer will be the whole number. The remainder will be the numerator and the denominator stays the same. Okay? The whole number is the answer. The numerator is the remainder. The denominator is the same. Okay? Now let's move on to our main book. Please open your books, page 236. Complete the mixed number and the improper fraction represented by the model. The first one, we have 1 and what over 4. We have one whole model and how many over 4? Let's count them. 1, 2, and 3. So the answer will be 1 and 3/4. And how many over 4 equals how many over 4? Let's count all the yellow parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 7/4. The next one, 2 and 2/3 equals how many over 3? Let's count the yellow part, the blue part, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So answer will be 8/3. The next question, write each mixed number as an improper fraction. 2 and 1/2. The first step is to multiply the denominator and the whole number. So 2 times 2. The next step is to add the product and the numerator. So 4 times 4 plus 1 equals 5. Again, multiply down plus up. Multiply down plus up like clockwise. Okay, we go like clockwise. 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. And this is our numerator. And the denominator stays the same. So the answer will be 5/2. The next one, 1 and 4/5. 5 times 1 plus 4. 5 times 1 plus 4. And this is our numerator. 5 times 1 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. And the denominator stays the same. So the answer will be 9/5. Number 9, 2 and 3/4. Again, multiply down plus up like clockwise. Multiply down plus up. 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 3 equals 11. And this is our numerator. And the denominator remains the same. 11/4. The next question, write each improper fraction as a mixed number. Number 13, 11/3. We divide the numerator by the denominator. Divide the numerator by the denominator. So 11 divide 3. Oh, what's the nearest thing? It will be 3. Because 3 times 3 equals 9. 11 minus 9 equals 2. So our quotient will be the whole number. So the whole number will be 3. The remainder, this remainder will be our numerator and the denominator stays the same. So the quotient will be the whole number, okay? The remainder will be the numerator, the denominator stays the same. So the answer will be 3 and 2/3. Number 16, 19/4. Let's divide the numerator by the denominator. 19 divided 4 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Let's subtract. 19 minus 16 equals 3. Okay, so the answer will be 4 and 3 over 4. The quotient will be our whole number, the remainder will be our numerator, and the denominator stays the same. Again, the quotient is our whole number, the remainder is our numerator, and the denominator stays the same. Number 19, 22 over 3. Let's divide 22 by 3 equals 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. Let's subtract 22 minus 21 equals 1. Our whole number will be 7, and the remainder is our numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So the answer will be 7 and 1 over 3. Now our problem solving, number 22. Cara makes 2 and 3 over 8 gallons of lemonade. Jane makes 17 over 8 gallons of lemonade. Who makes more lemonade? Explain how you found your answer. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, we need our numbers to be in the same form. So you can convert 2 and 3 over 8 to improper fraction or 17 over 8 into a mixed number. So this is up to you. Okay, I choose to convert 2 and 3 over 8 into an improper fraction. So 2 and 3 over 8, let's convert it. 2 times 8 equals 16 plus 3 equals 19. So the answer will be 19 over 8. Now let's compare. Cara made 19 over 8 and Jane made 17 over 8. We have a like denominator, so we will compare the numerator. 19 is bigger than 17, so Cara makes more lemonade. So to know who made more lemonade, I had to compare between them, but I can't because they are different. This is a mixed number and this is an improper fraction, so I have to make them like each other. Okay, I have to convert this number as an improper fraction or this number as a mixed number so I can compare. Okay, the next question, number 23. Araf uses 15 over 4 cups of flour to make 48 muffins. Is this greater than or less than 4 cups? So in order to know how many cups in 15 over 4, I have to write it as a mixed number. Okay, let's divide 15 by 4. 15 divided 4 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. Let's subtract 15 minus 12 equals 3. So 15 over 4 equals 3 and 3 over 4 cups. Okay, and since 3 and 3 over 4 is less than 4 cups, so 15 over 4 is less than 4 cups. Number 24. Ron rewrites 8 and 3 over 5 as 40 over 5. Is he correct? Okay, let's solve it. 8 and 3 over 5. 8 times 5 equals 40 plus 3 equals 43. Multiply down and plus up, and this is our numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So 8 and 3 over 5 rewrites as 43 over 5. 43 over 5 and 40 over 5 are not equal, so Ron is not correct. If you notice, guys, he forgot to add the numerator. He just multiplied the denominator and the whole number. 5 times 8 equals 40, and he forgot to add the 3. He forgot to add the numerator. Okay, so he's not correct. This is our lesson for today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.